Sure, here's a recipe for Pad Woon Sen, a delicious and easy Thai stir-fried glass noodles dish. Ingredients. For the noodles. 200 g glass noodles, also called mung bean or cellophane noodles. Hot water for soaking. For the stir-fry. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, thinly sliced. 1 carrot, julienned. 1 bell pepper, red or green, thinly sliced. 100 g shiitake mushrooms, sliced. 150 g protein of choice, shrimp, chicken, tofu, or pork. 2 eggs, lightly beaten. For the sauce.
3 tablespoons soy sauce.
1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional, cheap for vegetarian og vegan.
1 tablespoon fish sauce, optional, skip for vegetarian/vegan. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon white pepper. 2 tablespoons water. For garnish. Fresh cilantro chopped. Lime wedges. Instructions. Prepare the noodles. Soak the glass noodles in hot water for about 10 minutes or until they soften. Drain and set aside. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sugar, white pepper, and water. Set aside. Stir-fry the vegetables and protein. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic and sliced onion. Stir-fry until fragrant and the onions are translucent. Add the carrots, bell pepper, and shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Push the vegetables to the side of the pan and add your protein choice. Cook until the protein is fully cooked through. Add the eggs. Push the vegetables and protein to one side of the pan. Pour the beaten eggs into the empty side and scramble them until they are fully cooked. Then mix everything together. Combine with noodles. Add the soaked and drained glass noodles to the pan. Pour the sauce over the noodles and toss everything together until the noodles are well coated with the sauce and heated through. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with lime wedges on the side. Enjoy your Pad Woon Sen. Would you like any modifications or additional tips for this recipe? Pad Woon Sen, also known as stir-fried glass noodles, is a popular Thai dish that features thin, translucent noodles made from mung bean starch. The noodles have a unique, slightly chewy texture that absorbs the flavors of the accompanying ingredients and sauce. This dish is versatile and can be made with a variety of vegetables and proteins, making it a favorite for many. Key components. Glass noodles, also called cellophane or mung bean noodles. They are typically soaked in hot water until soft before being added to the stir-fry. Vegetables. Common vegetables used include onions, carrots, bell peppers, and shiitake mushrooms. These add color, texture, and nutritional value to the dish. Protein. Pad Woon Sen can be made with shrimp, chicken, pork, or tofu, catering to different dietary preferences. Sauce. The sauce is usually a blend of soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and white pepper. This combination provides a savory, slightly sweet, and umami-rich flavor profile. Eggs. Lightly beaten eggs are often added to the dish, giving it a richer texture and additional protein. Garnish. Fresh cilantro and lime wedges are commonly used for garnish, adding a fresh and tangy contrast to the savory noodles. Preparation. The dish is typically prepared by first soaking the glass noodles until they soften. Then, vegetables and protein are stir-fried in a hot pan or wok with garlic and onions. The soaked noodles are added along with the sauce, and everything is tossed together until well combined and heated through. Finally, the eggs are scrambled into the mixture, and the dish is garnished with cilantro and lime. Variations. Pad Woon Sen is highly adaptable, allowing for many variations based on personal preferences or available ingredients. For example, different vegetables can be substituted or added, and the type of protein can be changed. Vegetarian or vegan versions can be made by omitting meat and using plant-based sauces. Serving. Pad Woon Sen is often served as a main dish, but it can also be part of a larger Thai meal. It is enjoyed for its balance of flavors and textures, and it can be adjusted to be more or less spicy according to taste. This dish is a great example of Thai cuisine's ability to combine simple ingredients into a flavorful and satisfying meal.